In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete credit card from Shopify. If you're trying to remove the billing card tied to your Shopify subscription, the platform doesn't let you simply delete the only payment method on file. The reliable way to stop future charges and effectively remove that card is to cancel your active plan. I'll walk you through that process clearly and share a few tips so there are no surprises. Start by opening your Shopify Admin and landing on the home dashboard. Make sure you're signed in with the account that has permission to manage billing. From the dashboard, go to the Settings area. You'll find it in the Admin sidebar. It's where all your store's core preferences live, including billing and plan information. Inside Settings, open the Plan section. This is where Shopify shows your current subscription, billing cycle, and any options to change or manage it. Here, you'll see the controls you need to stop your subscription and, with it, the stored payment method. Choose Cancel Plan. Shopify will guide you through a short flow. Expect a prompt to confirm your choice and possibly select a reason for leaving. This helps Shopify with feedback but doesn't affect your cancellation. Read each screen carefully. You may be asked whether you want the cancellation to take effect immediately or at the end of your current billing period, depending on your account, status, and region. Confirm your selection to finalize. A few important notes as you do this. If there are any outstanding invoices, Shopify may require you to settle them before the cancellation completes. Once your plan is canceled, your store will be deactivated and Shopify will stop billing the credit card on file. That's effectively how the card is removed from active use on your account. You should receive an email confirming the change. Keep it for your records. Before you cancel, consider exporting anything you might need later, such as products, orders, customers, and themes, so you have backups for reference. If you use paid third-party apps that bill you outside of Shopify, check those providers directly to ensure charges stop on their side as well. If your goal is simply to replace a card rather than end your subscription, the quicker route is to add a new payment method and make it the default, which avoids canceling your plan. That's it. Open your Shopify Admin, go to Settings, head into Plan, and select Cancel Plan. Follow the prompts, confirm, and you're done. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you confidently remove your card from Shopify's billing.